Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Learn with Gisla. In this video of mensuration, we shall take up two questions in which an iron solid or a stone of cuboid shape is immersed in a cylindrical container or bucket which caused a rise in the level of water which was inside that bucket or container. Now we know that the volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height and volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Now let's start question number 1. A cylindrical bucket is half filled with water. Its diameter is 21 centimeter. A solid cuboid stone 14 by 11 by 9 is put in the bucket. By what height will the level of water rise? Now given in this question, cylindrical bucket whose diameter is 21 centimeter. So we can say the radius is 21 by 2 centimeter. Further, a solid cuboid stone which is 14 into 11 into 9 is put in the bucket to find the height to which the level of water will rise. Now let's start with the solution. Volume of cuboid stone is L into B into H, that is 14 into 11 into 9, and volume of water in the cylindrical bucket is pi r square h, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 whole square into h. This height we have to find. Now as per the question, the solid cuboid stone was put in the bucket which was half filled with water and which caused the rise in the level of water. So we can say volume of water which is in the bucket is exactly equal to the volume of the cuboid stone. So we will put the formulas now. We will write 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 whole square into h is equal to 14 into 11 into 9. Further we will solve and write 22 by 7 into 441 upon 4 into h is equal to 14 into 11 into 9. Now we shall cross multiply and we will write h is equal to 14 into 11 into 9 into 7 into 4 upon 22 into 441. Now when we'll solve it, we'll get 4 centimeter as the height. So this is how we have calculated the level to which the water rose when the cuboid stone was immersed in the bucket. Now let's move to question number 2. A cylindrical container with base diameter 56 centimeter contains sufficient water to submerge a rectangular solid of iron of dimensions 32 centimeter into 22 centimeter into 14 centimeter. Find the rise in the level of water when the solid is submerged. So it is same as question number 1. There we had cylindrical bucket, now we have cylindrical container, and in the previous question we had cuboid stone. Here we have a rectangular solid of iron. So given to us cylindrical container whose diameter is 56 centimeter. So radius will be half of 56, that is 28 centimeter. A rectangular solid of iron is given 32 into 22 into 14 and it is also immersed in the container. So we have to find the rise in the level of water, that is the height to which the level of water will rise. Now let's start with the solution. Volume of rectangular iron, we know it is cuboid in shape, so it is length into breadth into height, which is equal to 32 into 22 into 14. And volume of water in cylindrical container, which is a cylinder, so we will say volume is pi r square h, radius is 28 centimeter, and height we have to find. So we will write 22 by 7 into 28 whole square into h. Now according to the question, this rectangular solid of iron was completely submerged in the water which is contained in this container and which caused the rise in the level of water also. So we can say the volume of water which is contained in this container is equal to the volume of the rectangular iron. Further we will write 22 by 7 into 28 square into h, which is equal to 32 into 22 into 14. That means volume of the cylinder is equal to volume of cuboid. When we'll solve further, we will write 22 by 7 into 784 into h is equal to 32 into 22 into 14. Now h is equal to 32 into 22 into 14 into 7 upon 22 into 784. Now if we'll solve it, we will get height is equal to 4 centimeter. So this is how we have solved two questions in which a rectangular solid of iron, or you can say cuboid stone, was submerged in a cylindrical container and which caused the rise in the level of water, and we had to find that height to which the level rose. Hope you have understood these two questions. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you everyone.